Are you someone who likes to comment on women's appearance uninvited on the internet? Come here, let's have a talk. So let me just tell you an interaction that I had with someone on TikTok over the weekend and something I saw today. So I have a before and after that I posted of a patient who had severe painful capsular contractures and had her implants removed. And she has a great result. So this creature, who's a male physician, decided to show up to the post where I was discussing her result and let the world know that she looked better with the implants and the capsular contracture, in fact, and that she should have never removed them, and that he hoped that she would wear a padded bra. So this is a patient who was in pain and wanted her implants out and had a really lovely result. And this person felt the need to let the world know, again, his opinions about what she did to her body and how she now looks and what he thinks she should do so she looks acceptable to him. So I responded to him that it was wild he would type that out and press send, because that's a crazy thing to say on a post about a woman doing something so she feels better. And it's a medical thing as well as a cosmetic thing. And his response to me was that objectively she looked worse, and that his wife had tons of plastic surgery, a BBL, an augmentation, 2 rounds of liposuction, and he would be mad at her if that was the result she had. So people that do this, here's something I don't think you quite understand. There is no such thing as an objectively correct aesthetic. Different people have different aesthetics. Some people like a certain look to their bodies, to their makeup, to their hair, to their clothing, and other people like something totally different, and there's no right or wrong. What makes you, if you're this person, feel like you need to let people know how their bodies should look? I don't understand what is wrong with your brain that makes you think this is okay. This particular person is a doctor too, in Florida, and I'm just curious to how he talks to his patients, because I have a feeling it's not great. For plastic surgery pages, when a plastic surgeon puts a before and after up, I'm not asking for your critique. The patient's not asking for your critique. I don't really care what you think about the result. The whole point of a before and after is to educate the public, educate people for what a before and after looks like. What does it look like when someone has an implant out? What does it look like when someone gets an implant? What does it look like when someone gets a tummy tuck? What do different bodies look like when they get different procedures? That's the goal of before and after. And the fact that your brain took you to this person wants my critique shows me there's something not right with you. I saw one of my colleagues this morning put a before and after up, and there were multiple nasty comments with people critiquing the result, critiquing the patient's decision. This is a real person, you guys. That person is almost certainly following their surgeon. They're almost certainly one of the followers. And they saw all of your nasty things. It's the equivalent of if someone is walking through a restaurant that you are eating at, wearing an outfit you don't like, you stand up and publicly point at them and make sure everyone knows how bad they look in your opinion, and they should have made a different choice. Why do people act like this? Like, it makes me insane. I am super protective of my patients because it is such a kind gift for them to allow me to use their befores and afters. I will block you in a millisecond if you behave this way. It is not okay. And just in general, what the hell is wrong with people? I just don't understand. It makes me crazy. People are so hateful and nasty. It's absurd, and it's absolutely inappropriate and not okay.